Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a pretty good Tuesday. This is your tip for Tuesday, and this is kind of a pretty cool tip, and it's not so much something that you need to carry, but it's definitely something you want to think about and potentially having in your garage or something like that, because it will help on your trip, because this is some things that you're going to want to do to maybe take some of them. And what I'm talking about, yeah, a bolt kit. These bolt kits are really, really cool because these bolts are universal bolts, and they're usually metric in there. And these bolts, I mean, all different types, and they are awesome because they are hex head. Yeah, hex head. And those bolts right there, you can use those for just about anything. KTM, Honda, just about any bike that's out there. And guess what? It never hurts to have some extra bolts. And get like a little small canister or a little small bag or something like that, and you can take some of these bolts, find the ones that fit your bike, and guess what? Now you've got, in case something comes up missing, vibrates off on the trail, or even anywhere on your trip, now you'll have a bolt to fix that. If you want one of these little kits right here, they'll be down in the description. Definitely, it's a good thing to have because there's lots of bolts in these kits, and not only that, it could really help you out one day. That's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You have a fantastic day.